Hello, my name is Katarina Gonchar. I'm international trainer in Magnetic Nail Academy. Today I will show you safari print design with AirNails system. For this design, I already prepared an orange background. I also will need safari number 3 stencils, leopard, and colors orange number 7, burgundy, it's number 46, or you can use chocolate, it's number 12, and black. Orange I will use for background, just to do ombre from the sides. One side and another side. I'm removing color and burgundy or chocolate. We need any brown color. Burgundy, it's more Bordeaux color, and number 12, chocolate, it's more brown. But of course it depends of you. And I'm spraying just a little bit. I need soft brown color. Removing, and black. With black we need to make dots on the shape of our round elements. Done. And now let's remove our stencil. You see, we get very beautiful animal print effect. You can seal this design with matte or shiny top coat. I prefer matte effect. Curing time 1.5 minutes. And let's look on end result. 3D animal print effect. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.